Hey there, and welcome to a closer look at the SENMY luxury toilet paper holder. Crafted from solid brass, this piece features a sleek matte black and shiny gold finish. It brings a modern and elegant touch to any bathroom setting. The durable construction is completely rust-proof and corrosion-proof for humid environments. Designed for safety, it includes rounded edges and a smooth surface that is easy to clean. You can mount it vertically or horizontally, depending on your space and preference. Upgrade your bathroom style today with this heavy-duty and functional accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.